How to add new pages in Wix Studio. So in order to add a new page in your Wix Studio, first things first, head over to your Wix editor. From in there, you can see in here this icon, which is the third icon on your left sidebar. It is also the pages icon, so make sure to click on that in order to see all of the site pages that you have onto your site. So from in there, in order to add a new page, just click onto this icon that you can see right here in the bottom. Once you have done that, it will ask you what kind of page you want. It can be a page or a standard blank page, a dynamic page that you can only design once and generate unlimited pages, as well as custom member page. So this custom member page is accessible to site members only. Just choose which kind of page you want. For example, let's click onto this add icon right here into the blank page, and then from in there, it should be able to create this new page right here. So you have the option to rename it to whatever page name you want. You can just click onto this new page right there and then just rename it. So for example, let's name it tracking. Now, once you have renamed it, just click onto the enter icon into your keyboard in order to save its name. And as you can see, it's now created right here. You can now proceed to add elements based on this. So that's how you add new pages in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.